Hello everybody, I am going to Japan and Korea for 2 weeks, and because I am visiting family when I go to Korea, I have a lot of stuff I have to bring back for them, which means that leaves me with a carry-on. So I'm going to try to fit 2 weeks worth of clothes into my carry-on. And to be efficient, I need lists. So I always have a packing list ready to go. So I'm going to be spending 10 days in Japan and 5 days in Korea. I probably won't do any laundry for the 2 weeks, so I just need to make sure I'm packing enough. Not too much because we still want to be minimalistic. This is my large check-in luggage. I have a medium in here, but I'm just gonna bring a large because I want to bring back stuff too. My little carry-on. So actually a trick to consolidate your suitcases is to put a suitcase inside your suitcase and then you just check in one. But when you come back, you are going to have to, check in 2 bags. But a lot of people like to do that because they know when they go to a country, they plan to bring back stuff, especially Asia. When I went to Europe, I don't really think I brought back that many things. Okay. Medium luggage, but I'm just gonna bring the large. And anything I need to check in, like liquids and things like that. But for the most part, I want to keep this empty. In terms of what bags I am bringing, I'm also bringing a backpack. This is the beige backpack. The water bottle holder is gigantic. There is a laptop compartment. This backpack opens all the way through. Open it flat. And then there's little plastic compartments as well. And you can strap things in here too. I was going to bring my Lululemon, the larger everywhere bag, but my friend gave me this Uniqlo, I guess it's like a fanny pack-ish, but you can wear it over your body, like crossbody, or you can shorten it and make it a shoulder bag. And I found that this bag actually fits a lot more than my everywhere belt bag. There's little pockets, but that's it. For a day trip, we're going to take my Coach backpack. Okay, there's a lot of space, and this will just be for the long days where I'm going to need a couple more things. That is it for my bags. Let's move on to little knickknacks and organization things, and then we'll start packing. Packing cubes are really nice because it helps me organize, my pants are all over there, my shirts are over there. Because I house sit or travel quite often, I always have a little travel pack ready full of my face wash, toiletries, all of that, and I just grab it to go. But my friend just gave me this for my birthday. It's a personalized little toiletry bag. And what's cool about it is that there's a hanger. So you can hang it on the doors and just grab what you need in the bathroom. So I'm gonna transfer everything over here. Next, I talked about this in my last packing video, but Bay's makeup bag is amazing. I pretty much never take anything out of it, but there's a compartment for my jewelry and hair ties, and my makeup brushes are right over here. There is a portable mirror. Hello, that's you. My little makeup things right in here. More sunscreen, because you can never have enough. I just have a lot of sunscreen. My wet brush. This is also water resistant and it wipes off with a paper towel. Another little knickknack I got is I have a really hard time sleeping on flights. I pretty much never sleep on a flight. When we took business class for the very first time, that was the only time I've ever slept, and that's because I was lying horizontally. I know, such high maintenance, but I'm just a very sensitive sleeper, so unless my body is horizontal, it feels like we're not supposed to be sleeping right now if I'm sitting up. I'm gonna try something new, and I got myself a little turtle. It's like a neck brace pillow, but it's supposed to hold your head up. Oh, here we go. So it's like you're leaning on it, and then you just wrap it around. Pretty comfy. I don't really carry a wallet anymore. I just have my card holder. But in Korea, and especially Japan, they use a lot of cash as well. So this side is my Korea side, and then the other side is going to be my Japan money. I also have my passport in here, and also going to keep my card holder intact right there. And that's why I like this bag, because it can fit my entire wallet in here. Done! More knickknacks! So I do need an adapter for Korea. In Japan, I do not, because they use the same ones as the US. This is what the back looks like, and then you can stick in your USB as well as your regular outlets. In terms of a charger, I have 2 different kinds. This one, it just attaches to the back of my iPhone, and then this one I love. It comes in a little carrying case, and it is so powerful. It can charge my phone so quickly, and you just charge it literally anywhere you go. And then the cable is attached, so you don't have to bring extra cables around with you because it's all here, and they have different adapters and things like that. So this one is fantastic. This one, literally, you just stick it behind, and there's a little card sleeve too. Okay, clothes. At the very top, I always like to add, what will I be wearing to the airport, and then I take those clothes out to the side so that I know, okay, don't pack those. So I literally have a text section, my bags, my shoes, what clothes I always bring with me. Jeans are a staple. Even though I really hate jeans, actually, to be honest. My absolute favorite black pants from Aritzia. So this has to go in my check-in luggage because I have full-size liquids in here. My AirPods, lotion, chapstick, nor sunblock, floss, and a pen. Also, this tiny umbrella I got from Korea can fit in here too. I also need my camera so I can take you guys along with me. These are my clothes that I'm going to wear to the airport. I feel like compression socks really do make a difference, especially in making sure I don't get super swollen on the flight. Okay, here we go. Time to pack my pants.
Taking a ride to Jonah Lake 눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고
If I have more room in my packing cubes, then I am not opposed to bringing a few extra shirts just in case. Because the point of packing minimally is to just bring what you need, but also to ensure you have space. But if I have space, then that's great. Ta-da! I have my undergarments in here, and then I have my bras in here. So my pants I'm gonna have to wear at least twice each. And then tops I can, change around. In my backpack, I'm actually going to put 2 jackets back here.
하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈걸 수박은 바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리
Okay, let's do this. Masks, pads, earplugs. Through the sleeve. Jaja! Bam! Then I do a little last minute inventory check. Okay, camera, chargers, laptop, charger, and all of that I will pack when I'm leaving, but I have room in my backpack for that. Earphones with adapter. Oh, I forgot that. So with these headphones, they can fit into my phone, or you can pull out the extension and then plug it into the little aux area of the plane. Needed that. Oh, resistance bands. I totally forgot about that. Resistance bands are a super easy way to just work out. I don't know if I'll have the energy to work out, but I'd rather have it just in case I want it or need it. Okay, I also need some medicine because I always have a stomach ache whenever I travel because my body's just not used to the food and things like that, even though, I'm Asian. But I have these Korean stomach ache medicine. I have Tums because I'm like a grandma. I always pack some green shots with me because it's really hard to, go when you're traveling. I like to take some green shots with me. Like every other day, I guess. My probiotics. Ta-da! Okay, so I forgot my PJs and my suitcase is very full. So I do have to put it in my check-in bag, but it's not a lot. So I still have a lot of room in my check-in bag, and it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And then I'm going to stay at 3 different hotels, so I can pretty much just change at every hotel. Like I can change and wear a different PJ at every hotel. Hee ha! Okay, I fit a sweater and 3 different types of PJs in there. And then shoes. Shoes are hard. Definitely need to put this in a check-in luggage. If I were just going to use a suitcase, then I would put 1 shoe in a backpack and then wear, you know, whatever shoes. Okay, I have my 2 shoes, my PJs, and then my check-in toiletry. And then I have all this space empty. So with the empty space, I am going to fill it with the gifts for my family, but then when I come back, you know, all that space, and hopefully I'll come back with some souvenirs from Japan and Korea. So I hope you guys look forward to the Japan and Korea vlogs. I love sharing my experiences, and I research very heavily whenever I travel. I make sure to hit the best of the best places and things that you must do. I hope that through the vlogs you kind of get to experience it too and see life outside of where you're currently living, which I think is really exciting. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye! Okay, now time to pack for my family.